Where's your helmet?
Shut up.
The party started now.
It's fine.
Buddy, how's it going?
Not too bad. Oh, what's up, buddy? How you doing, man?
Not too bad. How are you doing?
Hey, what's up?
What's up, man? You think these are high enough or what?
No, they could go. It's so like, I don't know. Nothing works though in this thing. We always got a problem.
Welcome back to another vlog.
Welcome back to another Indestructible vlog. We're heading to Back Road.
Yeah.
We've taken the channel there before, but it's a bike night, the first bike night of the season. So get a bunch of homies rolling out.
I don't even know who's all going.
It's gonna be a mixed bag of bikes: Shovelheads, Sportsters, Dynas, Baggers, and
Soft sales.
Lowrider ST. So follow along. Let's go head over to Back Roads. Let's drink some coffee.
Decaf.
Matt, what's going on there?
Keep it a secret.
Yeah.
Find out soon. Maybe it fell off. Maybe it's getting painted. We'll see. Party started now. Let's go.
Let's go. We're at bike night. Let's go.
Oh, you look.
Do you notice the difference after they retuned it?
Yeah, it's almost like smoother now, but it's weird. It's really torquey.
Yeah.
But it's smooth. I don't know how to. I still haven't figured out how to describe that yet. So I haven't. It's fine. Well, because I got this.
Wow, just my whole hand.
Yo, you want to talk about your bike later on the vlog, bro?
Oh, absolutely.
Dude, YouTube.
I'm ready. Let me clean it first, though.
No. All right, let's go get some drinks. What do they
Are
have?
you waiting in that line the whole time?
Dude, it takes a long fucking time.
What, they just serving coffee and like non-alcoholic beverages, I think.
Yeah, I guess so.
Bike night, you're not going to be selling. It's not going to be serving beer here.
Yeah, I mean, probably not smart not to, but.
Somebody I know.
Oh, what's up, buddy? How you doing, man?
Not too bad. How are you doing?
Not too bad, man.
Where's your bike?
It's the one with the flames. I just got a paint job.
Flames.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, and then Matt's is like the El Diablo ST. Next to mine's the red one.
Yeah,
You
so
and
I'm next to
the
it.
silver one over there.
Are you got a new one?
1300. The V-Star 1300. The green one.
Oh, because what did you have before?
We had the 950.
That's right.
the V-Star.
Yeah.
Buddy, how's it going?
Not too bad.
But, pretty good.
What's up, buddy?
How you doing, man? Good. Good to see you, man.
What's going on, bro?
Guys, you like spot new bikes? They don't know. It's on the ST. You are?
I have an ST.
No, his
But his is
ST was
El
30.
Diablo.
His is a 35.
We didn't want it.
Oh, so
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They're loud. They're louder than my road bike.
Thing's worth it.
Yeah?
The paint jobs were everything. It's worth it. Yeah, it's worth it. Yeah.
Green job's always.
For me, it's worth it.
Showstopper, that paint, right? Oh,
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
love
I'm
that.
stoked on it.
Yeah.
But I have no idea what But
I know.
I don't know.
Guess the pricing right now, and I don't want to.
I think like
you guys have
maybe
been shopping
maybe
recently.
like
You must know.
13,000 or something. Maybe.
I blocked it out of my memory for how much I spent on my bike.
Yeah, I know. It's one of those things you kind of need to block it out.
Hey, what's up, man?
Are you the one who got the cappuccino?
That's me.
Cappuccino?
A little bit of gold. Not as much gold as yours, though.
A little bit.
Same seat, too, kind of.
Yeah, it's the same one, just another backrest.
So it's going to be random as
Hey, where's your helmet?
Shut up.
Doing it for the gram. All right, buddy.
Hey, man. Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
See you, PJ. Hey, Dan. Take care, man.
Take care.
See you guys.
No, need backrest.
Go for a ride.
Your front brake.
Yo, you think these are high enough or what?
No, they could go like this. Huh?
They're honestly not even high at all.
Have you sat in this?
Dude,
You're not hot. You're fine.
They're honestly not high for standing up. Yeah, if you're standing up and pushing it, it's
New shocks,
If you're
right?
standing on the seat, they're not high.
Yeah. But at least you can kind of like duck under.
my bob's not gonna work. Fucking around too much. Jesus. Let's make sure it starts, boys.
Not actually, but yeah, you're okay.
your helmet fell.
Oh yeah, so I watched him put it down. You gotta redo that front brake.
Oh, it's fine. He likes it, man.
Yes, dude. I feel.
He doesn't use his front brake anyway. So
I usually use it. I used it this year. I didn't use it. I literally didn't use it last year. Like it shows because you fucking. No, it's it never realized. It grabs. It's pure mush. It's like flat cardboard. It's fine. It works. Where are we? We're at the Dairy Freeze. Wait, yeah, Dairy Freeze. Let's get some ice cream, some fucking hot dogs. Steak on a Kaiser, bro.
I'll get hot peppers, please. Hot peppers.
Take a bite.
You're being interrogated.
Take a bite?
Let's go.
Open that.
Wait, is there something in this now? I feel like I just ate a bone.
Milkshake was great. Get a shake.
Get an ice cream.
No, not here. I don't know what to do with this.
Get an ice cream.
Get ice cream another time.
Doesn't make sense. My frame is leaking oil.
Bump it, yeah.
Top up now.
All right, closing out.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta go back to the warehouse.
Yeah, Matt's gonna drop his bike back off at the warehouse because
I don't have it at the house yet. Doing some work at the house, so I don't want to get dirty.
Roglide, Dyna, Pat, Lowrider ST, Shovelhead, Sportster, right?
Yeah.
What year is it?
2001.
What year is your shovel?
It is a 82.
Who cares?
Let's go. 82. I like it. 82?
Yeah, that is a 82. No, nothing works though in this thing. We always got a problem. I may as well warm it up. Shovel problems. Can't be idling waiting for everyone.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah.